Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Do you guys know I went to sleep like at 2 a.m. and then I had to wake up like at 5 a.m. Run off of 3 hours of sleep, so bear with me. But today is a track day. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of me photographing a track day. Okay, let me stop acting like I got energy because I'm real tired. But I'll see you guys when I'm in the car. Max ISO right now. Yo, it's so dark outside. Normally I'm asleep at this time. Let's get a cold start on my Lexus. Hear that V28 scream. Okay, let's get this show on the road, guys. I'm gonna give you guys another time update. Currently, where my phone at? Oh, it's right here. I got it. Yo, it's so dark. It's 5:16, guys. Normally I'm sleeping right now. You know, I'm hitting the hay crazy. But you feel me? Gotta go get these pictures. Got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through. Decided I wanted to give you guys an update. Currently, I am driving to Lamborghini of Sterling, Virginia. And then we're gonna head up to, I forgot what the racetrack was called. Summit Point, I think. So I'll let you guys, I'll pick back up the camera when I'm at the dealership. And then we'll go from there. You guys, I've made it to Lamborghini of Sterling. We got Miro pulling up. We got Zach in his Ford one and his Raptor. We got a few people over here. Let me go say what's up. Good morning, fellas. How you guys doing? I'm vlogging.
What's your name?
Yao.
Muhammad. Nice to meet you.
Hey Chris. Morning. How you doing? Yes, sir.
Sheesh.
Are you Ankrah?
Yeah, brother.
Hey, what's up?
What's
I don't know if I should drive today. Hi, good morning.
I have a spot for you if you want it.
Hey, yeah.
It's
Yeah,
up to
I don't
you.
know. Are you leaving early or something? Or
No, I'm just gonna head straight back home after it.
Man, all these Ferraris and stuff pulling up. I low-key want to drive. Is that daily DMV stuff happening?
I think so.
Boy, Chris.
Just drive, why not? Why you think about not driving?
I mean, hey, look at that.
Hey, what's going on?
Jeez.
You guys don't miss an event, do you?
Yeah, of course not.
For some reason, they find us.
There's Thrill Beast.
Yeah.
So we're determined.
I have one singular batch.
Excuse me, vlogger. How you doing?
I haven't seen you in
How
action
you
for a
been?
while.
I've been at home too. I've been good.
You could either
I see you recording, but you don't post.
They're on the way. It's practice. Practice makes perfect.
That's true, dude. I used to have so much. I
posted the other day.
So many vlogs on my computer and my phone.
Post it.
I do.
I post it.
I dropped the vlog yesterday or 2 days ago.
Edit all that shit, but
What do you
he's
mean?
like, hey guys. And then next week he's like, hey guys, what's up? Next week he's like, hey guys, what's up?
It's like, why is my
You just
memory
gotta have
cards going down there?
Oh, weak.
Do you have a full-time job or?
Nah, I
Oh,
don't.
you don't have a job?
Yeah, just
Come on,
pictures.
man, what the fuck is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Make your
I'm dropping more vlogs soon. I'm making more vlogs soon. Don't worry.
When?
I literally dropped the vlog. Look, 2 days ago. Look.
yeah, if you want to drive.
It was like a behind the
It
scenes
was like one of
photo
the
shoot.
shorts.
it was a YouTube short. Look, when did I drop it? Let me see. It was 2 days ago.
Hey,
Good morning.
are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
He's copying.
I'm copying. We got another Lambo that just pulled up. I have not seen that car run. God, that exhaust.
Sorry, how's it on the?
It's time to head out, guys. I'm in the front like I'm fast or something. But we're not gonna talk about that, guys. Not my best angle. Oh shoot, we missed it. Y'all hear my engine? I'm like the second car. Wait, let me close this window. I'm like the second car that and I got a couple supercars behind me. I don't know how I ended up here, but I don't think we're going to talk about it. I forgot to give you guys an update. Let me turn down this music so you guys don't hear it at all. But currently we are headed to the racetrack. Right now I'm followed by Zach, and Chris is behind me. I feel special. I feel special. There's like 30 cops going, not even 30, like 5 cops going the other direction. Stay tuned, guys. Y'all, we have made it. Summit Point Motorsports Park. That exhaust is crazy, let me tell you that much. Zach's truck, you guys probably can't even hear me. Zach's truck got some crazy lights, bruh. He turned on the rear lights. I was like, ooh! I was like, I'm blinded. Yo, I brought my drone, I can't even fly it. Good morning, sir. Gotta fill this out. Here you are. Thank you.
All set. You know where to go?
Nope, I'm gonna follow that.
Right. Stop sign, take a right.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Yes, you got some nice lights. I was saying in the video, I was like, dang, he got some nice lights.
Dude, did you see me jump it though?
Which one?
We hit it straight away and we like jumped.
Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I was like, oh snap. That's when I broke.
That left turn threw me off because it's like it veered, but then they had a stop sign.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't know they had a stop
And
sign.
I was like, oh shit, but they were like stopped.
Okay, okay.
I've never been out to this way, especially in the dark.
Yeah, it was so dark. When you started kicking it, I was like, oh snap.
Because he told me, he said the back roads is all like a roller coaster. It's all,
Oh, okay. It was pretty fun though. Everybody else is currently rolling in right now. You can kind of see Chris's SVJ in the light. He said should have brought my car. You should have. Hey, sheesh! Sheesh! You made it.
Camera gang.
Who's cold? It's gonna get warm soon.
I was like, why did y'all slow down? And
Which one?
3 cops passed by.
Oh look! I was like, why you kind of speed up? Look at that Urus.
I need my,
That joint is fire. Say Swift.
just like that. It's very
What? Did he get it?
Yeah, he got it.
Oh, that's
He got
crazy.
2 GTRs actually.
Sheesh.
Black Series. Whatever.
Oh, Black Series are clean. What do you mean? This is like 3 seconds. I'm gonna just cut out everything, really. I'm gonna cut out everything and then I'm gonna just leave nothing.
That is 300.
Another Urus. Sheesh. You know me and my Uruses. Look at these photographers photographing.
Hi, we're the fanboys. Look at these two influencers over here.
This is a BTS for his vlog. Cause you know I ain't posting this vlog. This joint clean.
Yeah, he's not posting that.
Yeah.
I am posting it. Sheesh. Let me take some pictures, guys. When I get my Urus, y'all will understand why I love Uruses so much.
The Mansory edition.
Huh?
The Mansory's coming in.
Gee, say slow. Oh, I see it. Oh shoot, they parked next to each other. I'm really a fanboy out here. That's crazy. Y'all, which one are you choosing? This one? Or this one? The choice is not yours. Comment down below, guys, which one you would choose. The Mansory, or the Black Series, I think it is. It is Black Series. I peeped. I'd have to go with the Black Series. I like the color more. Wow. It's up there. And then lastly, which one is this? One's really good. We'll see that straight. Let's see if it's dead. No, it's not. So when you get it right, y'all see the vlog. This vlog. So like I was saying, this vlog has been everywhere, all over the place. So next time you see me, I'll probably be taking pictures on the track. So stay tuned, guys. Why I keep doing that? What's going on? Y'all, I'm about to shoot my shot. My fault. Now you good, you good, you good.
A little foggy back there.
Almost. I got a question. Can I get you to go like all the way down there and face me, like where that Ferrari is? And then I'm gonna take a picture.
You would come back all the way up here.
Yeah, so I'm gonna zoom in all the way. Perfect, thank you. Sometimes you guys just gotta ask. This is crazy.
Were you right behind the RX-8?
No,
he stopped you?
he took off.
Okay. So, well, I mean, if you're trying to get shots out of this side, then you're going to need to be track left and just have them go. What you want to do is when you leave here, just stay track right the whole way down and turn one. Make sure nobody's coming up the side.
Or a crossover.
And then and then get over.
Okay. Thanks.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
This is exciting.
Very excited. Oh, they got a whole. What's it called right there?
They said my lights were blinding them.
I was like, what are you saying? This wind is serious. How fast are you roughly going?
45?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's good, that's good. I mean, you don't need to, just do your thing. Now you can keep going what you're going.
How's it going?
What's up, gents?
Good.
How you doing?
Are you guys done?
Are they?
Yeah, just.
Are they done?
I think they're done. They were coming off. I just saw them coming off.
Oh, there they
They
are.
probably. Hang on one second.
Oh, no, they're going.
Oh, they're still going.
Oh, shucks.
Oh, yeah. I thought they were off.
Yeah.
Me too. Boy, I thought he was mad at us or something. Not Chris. Oh, he is.
He sent it.
So a little update, guys. It definitely got hotter. Definitely got tireder. An update. We took some rollers, as you just seen. I took some rollers. They were shooting videos. Got like a mix of both. I had the GoPro footage, and right now I am going to different spots. I've been walking for like 3 seconds. I'm real tired. But what I'm trying to say, I be literally so like confused when I be vlogging. Besides from me rambling, probably won't do too much BTS, but I will show you guys the pictures that I get. So yeah. Bro, I gotta stop covering the camera like that. I just gotta whip that joint or something. Oh, this is a nice post. Oh, this is the best. That's a better angle.
This is the best spot. That's what I'm saying. Everyone else is down there.
Oh, they had that one. That one's weak.
Oh my god, everybody's doing vlogging.
Vlogging each other.
Everybody just recording each other.
So we have 5
It's like
cameras
Inception.
and
It's
6
like a
people
dream.
recording.
Within a dream. Yeah. Okay, are we ready to move?
We are ready to move.
Okay, hold on tight, man.
Haul ass, haul ass.
Logan visuals.
I don't know why he didn't go.
Can I get your autograph on my hand?
You got a pen?
No, I don't. I thought you'd have a pen.
Did you hear what I said?
But after
What?
lunch, it's the playback.
It's another Sony loser. I mean user.
Working out with the driver.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
There's no comments.
That was a good one.
We should sneak my car in.
I go grab some
I want
decals.
to ride with safe. They yelled at.
They're taking a bit long. My stomach's kind of hungry. I done ran away from them. As you guys can hear, not even see, Chris is leaving. I want to see if he revs it out of you. No.
Yes! No, I'm just kidding. No 046.
It's not, no, right?
Oh shit.
You sliding.
Am I?
Nah, I was looking.
Nah. Let's go backwards.
This is where I end my vlog, my brothers. There we go, bring it in. There we go.
I'll see you at Force Tyson's Corner tonight.
I'll be here.
I'll be there. After a long, successful day of somewhat vlogging, taking too many pictures, and just having a blast with the gang, this vlog has to come to an end, happily, so I can put the camera down. Shoo! But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try and do some more daily vlogs. Not even daily vlogs, more like weekly vlogs, dropping a vlog or two every week of what I go through, what I do. And hopefully you guys rock with it. Hopefully you guys mess with it. Putting all this stuff in the car. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Let's let go slow a little bit to not drop it off. So we don't.
There's a pista coming.